Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
If your zoom feels wrong, start by reproducing the issue with a simple object. Use the middle mouse wheel or numpad to focus on selected objects and observe behavior. Open viewport overlays and check if camera orbit or auto perspective is toggled. Then open preferences and inspect navigation settings for orbit around selection. Also verify the camera focal length at 35 mm and the clip start at 0.001 m for correct depth handling. Adjust controls to restore predictable zoom behavior in Blender quickly and safely. Open Edit, then Preferences, and navigate to Input and Navigation to enable orbit around selection. Reset the view using numpad 1, 3, 7, or press numpad to center the selection before zooming. If objects clip or zoom jumps, reduce the clip start value to 0.001 m in the viewport camera settings. These steps ensure the middle mouse wheel and pinch gestures respond consistently across orthographic and perspective views. If navigation fixes fail, inspect the active camera and any installed add-ons that alter view behavior. Select the camera and check the focal length remains at 35 mm and the sensor size matches expected values. Temporarily disable third-party add-ons that modify the viewport to isolate the problem. Reset object transforms with Alt+G and Alt+R if the zoom origin appears offset from the scene. Finally, save preferences and restart Blender to confirm the changes persist, and the zoom now behaves as expected.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.